Welcome to the call. Thank you so much for joining. Today, we're going to be doing a rapid demo presentation on our Marketo checklist. Our company, Stack Moxie, actually started as a consulting company. We worked with Microsoft and IBMs and startups on one massive migration project after another. Almost every instance we worked in had some issue, and we believe this occurred because they did not thoroughly test their setup as needed. We took Marketo's user acceptance tests and combined them with our expertise to build a checklist. At the same time, we're developing an automated monitoring technology to keep all of the tools in a tech stack up and running, just like a software engineer monitors their code. It wasn't until we partnered with Marketo and met Shai Al-Foundry and Loren Dean that we realized this should be an automated checklist. Over the year it took to build this, we got other help from others such as Trish Kremers and Brad Bradford. Marketo was our first major partner and we wanted to make an impact. I'm excited to share with you Stack Moxie's Marketo Checklist, where we combine 10 critical components of your Marketo and Salesforce integration, allowing us to pinpoint gaps, errors, and routing issues with a click of a button. Our checklist will allow you to quickly establish a baseline of an implementation, share logs of errors with your team to resolve issues fast, pinpoint errors that have been hard to recreate, determine API usage and related limits, and check your Salesforce sync and lead mapping. So let's show you how it works. First, we just have to drop in our pieces of data, first being a website. Then we're going to drop in our Marketo landing page testing domain, our landing page subdomain. And then our email tracking domain. Most standard Marketo implementations have 55 or 50,000 Marketo daily API limits, so we're going to leave that as is. And then we're going to drop in one of our contact us pages. Okay, what's happening now is the tool is navigating to the website, it's scraping the page for a form, and it's populating the form on this page for you to be allowed to submit it. We're going to select our submit button, and then we're going to check our time to sync, which on average is 20 minutes. Then we can hit create and run. Robots are now navigating to your web page. They're checking for your Munchkin ID and giving you that actual value. They're checking your SBF record, your DKIM, your blacklist, your IP address, both your CNAMEs, and daily usage of your API limit. Then it's navigating to your form page, filling out the form. Then it's checking in Marketo if that lead email actually showed up as expected, and if the fields on that record were set as expected, such as last name, email address, and company. Now it's calculating the time it takes for the lead to be created in Salesforce, giving you an exact time to sync on your Salesforce lead generation and routing. It's then checking the mapping of the fields for last name, email, and company, and then deleting both leads out of the system, or deleting the leads out of both systems. With this checklist, you are able to test and continuously monitor the backbone of your stack, the sync between systems and the configurations of your systems. When errors do occur, you can easily share results via our sharing log functionality right here. So I can come up here, and as you can see, our report is 10 out of 10. All of our tests passed as expected with results. It also presented our Munchkin ID and IP address up here, and then I can share these results with anyone I want that has access to this link. So this makes it really easy to share across teams and give one source of truth and transparency to your implementation.